OK, we're going to have a quick chat with Dr. Julia Renton, Clinical Director for Community Mental Health Services at West London NHS Trust. Good to have you here. As we said, it is Mental Health Awareness Week, and we heard there how important it is for men to feel able to talk about it. And you're involved with a London football club to encourage just that. Tell us about it.
Yeah, we're very excited. We've just gone into a partnership with Queen's Park Rangers, with QPR, and they've done some amazing work, really. They're already involved in the community doing some amazing work. And I think across football, across QPR, across sport, that message is getting out there that it's good to talk. In fact, there's nothing about a weakness to say you need help, but it really shows a strength. And there's something about the accessibility of that message, if it comes from your local football club, within your local community, that says, come on, just join us, come out, talk, seek some help.
So what would fans expect to see?
Well, I think one of the things is by moving into the stadium, some of our sites, we're hoping that we can offer some drop-ins there. We're hoping we can offer some groups there, maybe some conversations about how to get involved. But more than anything, it normalises the message. We all need help and support at some time. And it's normal to talk. We want to take away this stigma that mental health services are something different, that they're out in a hospital, that you can't access them. We are part of the community.
And by doing that, I suppose you also reach people that perhaps you wouldn't otherwise reach.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you talk particularly about young men. We know that young men don't talk about their mental health very well, that men don't talk about mental health. We also know that in the most deprived communities and the most diverse communities, we get less referrals. So we really need to get the message out there. There's no stigma to talk. Come, we're open, we're not strange. We sat in the middle of your community. Come and see what help looks like, and you'll be really surprised by all the different ways that you can engage with our services.
So you're starting with one football club now. Can I ask, so for anyone watching, perhaps, you know, they themselves are worried, or perhaps for a partner, a brother, a father, uncle, friend, you know, what would your advice be to them?
I think just to talk. People are so worried about saying it's that first sentence, isn't it? I think we're so used, particularly amongst those young men, how are you? I'm all right. You know, it's that automatic response. People are often really relieved when somebody opens up to them and gives them a chance to open up. Start talking. Don't say, I'm fine if you're not. Loneliness is the phenomenon that we're talking about at the moment. You can be amongst people, but if you're not honest and telling them how you really feel, you can feel lonely even in a crowd. It's make those first comments, reach out, give somebody an idea that you are struggling.
Oh, Dr. Julia Renton, really good to talk to you, and I'm sure we will be talking about this much, much more. Thank you for coming in.
Brilliant, thank you.
And during Mental Health Awareness Week, or actually at any time, you can find details of organisations that can provide help and support in confidence on the BBC Action Line homepage or on the free phone number that you can see on your screen now.